Welcome. How to calculate different moles is what we're going to talk about now. And remember, this is bomb, because if you have problem in chemistry calculation that involve conversion factor, these are the simplest formula for you to use and get your answer in under few seconds. Now, if I ask you to calculate ordinary mole, all you need to know is that mole is mass all over molar mass. Now, for elementary particles, the number of moles is equal to the number of particles divided by the Avogadro's number. And the Avogadro's number is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. I want you to know this. They can ask you to calculate either the number of particles or ask you to calculate the number of molecules. They are all the same thing. Or ask you to calculate the number of atoms. They are all the same thing. So note this formula, especially this number 2, is extremely important. Number 3, when you are dealing with calculation that involves solution, you have to know that the number of moles is concentration in mole per dn cube times the volume in cn cube. So all you need to do is know that the formula for you to calculate this is CV all over 1000. I want you to know something. 1 dm cube is equivalent to 1 liter, and then 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 cn cube. Note it very well. The reason why I wrote this thing here like this is so that you can copy it in your notes, and if you copy it in your notes, for you to be able to memorize them, this formula is bomb, believe me. Now to the part 4, for gases at standard temperature and pressure. For you to calculate the number of moles is the volume occupied in dn cube all over the gram molar volume. Now you are going to say, what is the gram molar volume? Beautiful. The gram molar volume, look at where I wrote it here, is equivalent to 22.4 dn cube, or when you times it by 1000, it's equal to 22,400 cn cube. We have a beautiful question here. Calculate the number of moles present in each of the following. 200 cn cube of 0.025 mole per dn cube. So all you need to do is quote our formula already at the board, that number of moles is CV all over 1000. And so this is it, and you divide everything by 1000. So you don't actually need to come and start thinking about it, and time will be running. That's why I said that formula is bomb. And what you will get is 0.005 moles. So this answer is 0.005 moles. So and that's the answer. That's why you need the formula. Now the second one, they are talking about, you can see 16 dn cube of hydrogen at standard temperature. This question is so easy. But when you start thinking about using conversion 1 mole to this, you will get confused. That's why all you need to do is just come and carry this formula, bam, bam, and the answer flows naturally. So remember that from here, I said for gases, of course, hydrogen at standard temperature and pressure, that the number of moles is volume all over the gram molar volume. That's all. Don't make your life difficult. So from there, all you need to do, your volume has been given, which is the 16, right? So all you need to do right now, look at it, at 16 divided by, look at this thing. This value was given in 16 dn cube. So the gram molar volume you are going to use is 22.4 dn cube, not this. If they gave you the volume in cn cube, you will use this. But what they gave you is the unit is in dn cube, and that's why I'm going to divide it by 22.4 dn cube. Can you see it? So just punch it in your calculator and get the answer. I told you this was so easy. So all you will get here is the number of moles is 0.71 moles. And that is it for this one. Now we'll solve more examples. Please endeavor to write the formula down on your book. You get why. Now example number 2 at the board. Calculate the volume of the gas occupied by 3 moles of CO2. We are talking about the volume occupied by 3 moles of CO2 gas. Now look at the formula for gases, and we know that volume is a number of moles. Number of moles is volume all over the gram molar volume. Now they want us to calculate the volume here, right? But you already have the moles, right? So all you need to do here is you cross multiply. Volume is number of moles times gram molar volume, and the number of moles there is 3. The gram molar volumes is 2.2. So if you times it on 2.4 dnq, if you should times it together, you should get 67.2. 67.2. So what is the SI unit? What is the SI unit? Of course, the SI unit is in dnq. I don't think you use 22400 cnq. Your SI unit will be in cnq. So that is it for that number 2. For number 3, they said how many molecules of phosphorus are present in 496 gram of the substance. Of course, look at the formula, is still here. Look at the formula. We said that the number of moles is number of particles, or here they say number of molecules, all over the Avogadro's number. Now they want you to calculate how many molecules of phosphorus are present. Now look at it very well. This is what they want us to calculate, but you don't know, they did not give you the answer in moles. So even if they did not give you moles, you can get moles. Come to this formula here, look at it. Moles is mass all over molar mass. So they gave you mass, they gave you the molar mass. So for you to get the moles first, the moles is 496 divided by 31, and then 496 divided by 31 should give you now. There is a small problem here. Look at it. They said phosphorus 4 here. I underlined it. I didn't see phosphorus 4, and so that means that our molar mass should be phosphorus 4 is 31 times 4. And 31 times 4 is 124. 124 gram per mole. Now, the next thing is, I don't want to clean this formula. That's why I'm trying to conserve space. Now, the next thing is 4 this, you divide it by 124. Now, it will give you what in moles. Now, let me write it here. So this is 496 divided by 124 is equal to, they want you to calculate how many number of molecules all over 6.02 times 10 raised to the power of 23. Now all you need to do is cross multiply the number of molecules here. You cross multiply, please punch your calculator, should give you 2.41 times 10 raised to the power of 24 molecules. And that is the answer. So endeavor to solve more calculations in this. It is so easy. That should be all for this video. Thank you very much. Please endeavor to subscribe. Please. If the channel is growing, we're releasing more videos.